Hey YouTube, I'm right in the middle of the storm. It's the TV keeps on making noises. You can probably hear the weather, but wind is starting to blow. Probably can't see it so good, but I might have it going a little, but you can barely see any light out. It's so dark. I've heard people say that before a tornado, everything will go quiet, then you'll start hearing it sounds like a really strong wind, and then it'll all start. So that's what's happening right now. It's time to start. So I better go. Okay, well, I'll be posting more videos. Bye, bye YouTube.